Natural language programming, or NLP, is changing the way we interact with technology. Let's dive into some amazing tools that harness the power of NLP. First up, we have IBM Watson, which offers services like sentiment analysis and emotion detection. It's widely used in healthcare and finance for data analysis and customer service automation. Next is Google Cloud Natural Language API, perfect for entity extraction and content classification. Developers can easily integrate its powerful NLP features into their applications. Then there's the Natural Language Toolkit, or NLTK, a go-to Python library for language data. It provides tools for classification, tokenization, and more, making it popular among educators and researchers. MonkeyLearn is another user-friendly platform for text analysis, offering pre-trained models for sentiment analysis. TextBlob simplifies common NLP tasks, making it accessible for beginners with its intuitive interface. Stanford Core NLP, developed by Stanford University, is known for its speed and scalability in complex NLP tasks. And let's not forget Sparsci, an open-source library optimized for advanced NLP in production environments. Wobot is a virtual therapist that uses NLP to provide mental health support through conversational AI. Lastly, JP Morgan's LOXM analyzes financial documents, improving trading efficiency with insights from unstructured data. These tools show how NLP is making technology more intuitive and user-friendly.